Good morning, students. Today we will learn about radiation. This is third mode of transfer of heat. We like to sit in sun in winter or near heater. Do you? How we get heat without any contact? This is because when the heat flows from the hot body to a cold body without any contact or medium, this is called radiation. Now you can understand how we get sunlight. It is by radiation. It requires no medium. Just like light, heat can also flow with or without medium or vacuum. Now come to, do you know? Why are conditioner fitted at a height on the wall of the room? Air conditioners are fitted at higher level on the wall of the room because the cooler air from the air conditioner comes down and warmer air from the lower side being lighter rises up and convection current is set up in the room, and thus the AC fitted at the height in the room causes quick cooling. Hope you have understood. Second thing is, here is also, do you know? The color of an object decides the amount of heat absorbed by it. An object with dark color, black color, absorbs maximum heat radiation as compared to white color. The object which absorbs more heat radiation also emit more heat radiation. That is why we prefer to wear white or light color clothes in summer and dark black color clothes in winter. Okay. Now come to applications. Application means uses of. First is solar cooker. Solar cooker makes good use of sun's heat radiation. I will show you the picture of solar cooker in the later part. The box of solar cooker is painted black to absorb maximum heat. We can cook food here. Second is solar panels. Solar panels are designed to trap maximum solar energy to perform various activities such as heating water, cooler, lighting street lamps, etc. Here also we use black metal sheet to absorb maximum heat from the sun's rays. We can see solar car, water heater, etc. Now come to properties of heat. First, properties of heat: increase in temperature. When any substance is heated, it causes a rise in temperature, which increases in volume and expands also. Second, change in state. This you know. You all know that water has three states: solid is ice, snow, liquid is water, and gas is vapor, water vapor. When we heat water, it changes into vapor. Means when we increase heat, it changes its state. Similarly, when we take away heat, then it changes its state also. It again changes as vapor condensed to water, water condensed to ice. So heat is very important aspect in water cycle also. Second example is railway tracks, which are made up of metals and which expand in hot summer days. So to avoid accidents or derailing means accidents, a little space is left between the tracks so that they are laid. When it expands, no accidents will occur. Third is change in chemical composition, that you also know. That in a chemical reaction, some heat emits. Emits means exit. If we heat calcium carbonate, it is also called marble, it changes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. You can see solid calcium carbonate decomposes and a white substance plus carbon dioxide in gaseous form emits. Next one is effect on living organism. You must have seen that boiled water is used in household works because mostly bacteria, virus, germs are killed up to 100 degrees Celsius. Now come to the checkpoint. Bakelite, rubber, mica are all insulator of heat. Solar cooker uses dash method of heat transfer, radiation method of heat transfer. Dash can travel even without a medium. Radiation, or you can say heat waves, can travel even without a medium. The transfer of heat by the actual movement of molecules or particles is called convection. Iron tracks expand due to heat. And these are some key terms. You have to remember all these key terms and recalls summary of this chapter. And this is solar cooker picture, black and white. This is colored picture of solar cooker. This is image of solar light. And this is water heater, solar water heater. So now all for we have completed heat chapter. So next day we will do question answers. Thank you. And this is picture of car. Okay. Thank you.